is
Hello guys, it's me President. So hindi pa subscribe ng video ko, please subscribe po. And this video consists of lots of things like a chit time, with that about life. Then I do also video about stuff now, real experience, sharing of my real experience, and any other tips, and learning sign language, and any song interpretations.
hello, good morning. And for today's vlog, it's Monday. Another Monday morning to celebrate life. First of all, we're thanking God for letting us wake up this morning. And before we go to school and to face our lovely students, we need to fix ourselves first. So, having some facial screen, no, wait, facial skincare like that. So, for us to keep gloomy, charan. If you want to ask my skincare product, charas, no need to mag-promote. Just kidding aside. But anyways, yeah, I've just learned for the previous days that we just need to take good care of ourselves and we just need to love ourselves as everything starts within ourselves. So it's not necessary that we really need to buy some expensive things for us to make happy. It's just taking good care of ourselves is enough. So there's a lot of people or there are a lot of negative things around us, and it's not good that we go with them. So it's really important to take good care of ourselves, and to at least naman there is someone who is taking good care of ourselves, and that's ourselves as well. So it's okay, and we can survive every day. So that's part of loving ourselves. Okay, I know that the work will be tough later, so I just really need to have some refreshing things for ourselves, for us to continue life, and for us to um, leave things that is great. So, yan na, nagsusuot na ako ng buhok ko kasi nga naman, marami talagang mga ano dyan sa mga buhok natin. Yung mga bata kasi maraming mga kuto yan. Kaya as a special education teacher, hindi po natin malilikayan yung marami pong mga animals dyan sa ulo natin. Kaya kailangan po natin every morning, ginagawa po natin yan. Nagsusuot po tayo ng maiwas po tayo or makuha po natin yung agad yung mga kuto ng mga bata sa ulo natin. Tas hindi po tayo manulokan ng kati-kati ng buhok natin. So that's my routine every day, and I mean every morning. So ito na nga, rak-raka na inside the classroom just to let your student be enjoyed and stay inside your classroom. It's one of the challenges in a special education class, especially if it's just a like 2 weeks or it's just a beginning of the class. It's really challenging in the part of the teacher to let the students stay inside the classroom or to let the mother go outside the classroom, and it's just really an we just really need an extra time and extra effort just to establish trust from our learners. And it is not really that, I mean, it's really necessary to have that. And here it goes. One of my students, she is AIM, and actually she is really a nice child. She's just enrolled this year, and yeah, that's why it's quite challenging for me to let her stay inside my classroom. So it's one of my strategy to let her stay and to let her forget her mother for a moment is just I let her borrow my cell phone to do like this. And yeah, that's one is roaming around while I'm doing some task. And yeah, actually the technology is really important nowadays for our learners, as our new generations or our new kids are really that technology just really have a great impact into their lives. I mean, like they are just really like to do the activities while interacting into the technologies, and it's the technologies has a very important role. And we as a teacher, we just need to have a proper guidance for how they can able to use the technology properly. I mean, handling children with special needs is really, really challenging. I mean, you really need to have a lot of patience, lot of things, and you need to have lots of strategies, for your children to go with you or to follow you. So this one is another strategy. Like, I allow her to do the vlog while doing the activity because she will not be motivated enough if not having a like this, like video. That's us house.
House.
House. Sama na. Wait man, masabi na. Oh, na na apple.
Apple.
Okay, sini. May man sa sagan. Ano ba? 8 minutes. That is dog.
Dog.
So, 16. A goat.
Dog.
Goat.
Goat.
As you observe while I'm teaching this child as well, I've also like I answer math problems since I am handling multi-grade and multi-level. So while this student having this kind of activity, in my other side there's also a student who is answering math questions. So that's how challenging the special education is here in the Philippines, as we are catering lots of learners inside the classroom and it's multi-level and etc. So it's okay, we can able to do it. Laban lang tayo mga speeders! One of the best or the most special time for the kids is the playing time. It's their time to socialize with their classmates and to create friends. And friends are really important inside the classroom. As one of the challenges of a special education is that they have that behavior that they want to isolate themselves. So it's really important to practice their socialization skill for them to learn how to socialize. It is a very important skill for them to survive. I hope you will learn from this video from me. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye. Cheers.